borrow some of your time. Oh yeah, I'm not living without you. Baby, not tonight. Tell me what I gotta do to make you feel alright. Let me take you around the world, meet you anywhere. Don't tell me that you're far away. Want you by my side, take you on the ride.
Yes, song now. Like, play us music now. Play us the song.
Play the song.
Baby, I don't want to bother you. No, I don't need. But can I borrow some of your time? Some of your time. When you tell me who discovered you. Tell me who discovered
that's all.
the treasure I don't define.
But this thing, I
Whenever, however, the weather, together. When I find you one more, you'll be here. Yes, forever, whenever, however, the weather, together. Borrow some of your time. Wanna love it like a one-thing thing. Give me your heart, girl, one-thing thing. Oh, wanna give you all the finest things.
Kill it. I'm the bench. Oh, look at me. And look at us. 2 chains.
Yeah, please, like that. We're cool like that.
Oh, boy.
Yeah.
This is your chain, eh?
Oh, yeah.
This one are gold, I mean, I zinc.
No, this is pure gold.
You sure?
No, and I just changed my car, so.
Oh, now why you own the car?
Yes, I brought my car key. So you see, yeah, so.
Congratulations, young man.
Yeah,
I like when you.
Were you moving higher or lower?
It's higher.
You moved higher, right?
It's higher.
Formerly, you were using a motor, but now you are using an SUV.
No, yes, SUV. You know? But it's not this thing.
It's not the one.
I used to like G-Wagon. But I don't really like it because it's rampart.
Yes. Even me. No, you know I gave my own C-class out, 2 of them. So yeah, me and you did the same thing. But you don't see house because I don't talk with OPD. Say you define house, you don't see house. We don't have me. I talk and say why I never give you house of 1.5 million. I say I give you one of 1.2. You say anything we no pass 800,000 naira. I say you no go pay. So what's happen?
How much be land for a bathroom? 4 plot, 8-2.
It's a lie. 8,200 naira is a lie.
Yes, I beg you just join us. I beg you don't say this on our BOBO'S YARN on top the station. We will do every with the sun, all the total men, and then chat and trash at things. I beg. When I announce we do we they come here and talk better things.
If you ever tell the girl, make them on this AC. The place hot.
I beg.
This guy, then at this bar.
Why you see?
Come here, we'll spend them.
I don't be there here. You don't understand. My criminals are here with me. Chakra.
Yes. Afa.
Call her 2 chains today. 2 chains.
Yeah, 2 chains. Yes, you know what we do,
The last guy we do yo, he dey jail now.
He dey jail.
Bobby Schmuda. That boy don't come, everything. You look, kill you. Fogo, shoot you. How you obey name we get Shmurda? For the name na SHMURDA. That's murder. You must murder somebody now. Now why you go jail?
You know, not even kill herself. Now say na drug things make them carry and go jail.
No, I say shoot person no.
A shoot person.
A shoot person. That's one way he sing now. I know say everything they do now. They now gunshot.
I beg wait. For a long time. Who know maybe that Shmuda said another person dream man. We say you don't go jail now. We will not see again.
Well, you know, say one man's meat.
Somebody go on the iron before.
You know, somebody go on the iron before.
Somebody still go iron as they inside jail. You know some girls? Man, I love that guy. Man, he's bad, man. You know, you don't try by guy. I love guys that kill. Some girls will be there with your lover like that.
Not true.
Come,
I tell you.
May we even talk this matter self. As they talk, where would they talk girls matter self? I beg. This thing where would they call dream man, dream woman. If you don't even come marry your dream man or your dream woman, you sure say that marriage go feel last.
Many they last. You know, say get many men, especially men. Now men I get dream pass women. Because women don't really get dream man. Because men, the average young girl,
what do you mean? Women don't get dream man.
Now they tell you the average young girl for Africa, for this part of the world, their dream man be say, man, we just nice, we hold money.
And I dream with that now.
You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, that is if you go there, me I be the kind of go physique.
No, most young girls from that they are maybe from 18. They always get, oh, I want a tall, fair, handsome, working class, 6 packs. Then as they go on with the age, the thing they change. You understand? So maybe that at that time now, where that your own girls where they see all these Lagos girls, they only get one dream man.
One dream man.
One we get money.
But the way I they look at me, more do like this. More leave this even if the marriage feel work. You get what just enter my head now. More do like this. For instance now, you be person dream man, and you they get dream woman. You sure say that kind of thing they exist at all? Say okay, yes. When you they grow, waiting you they aspire. Say okay, your dream man, your dream woman, your dream woman, your dream woman.
Everybody gets.
Everybody gets.
Because
and you know what?
Because so many marriages don't do it. They say na my dream, na my dream, na my dream, na my dream woman, my dream woman. At the end of the day, the marriage don't last 3 months. So.
And you know why some they last? The ones who they last, know why they last? Because of character. Now maybe your dream girl, or your dream woman, yellow, slim, tall, you know. Then along the line, you come meet this girl where the fat, you understand? But then there's nobody like her. You understand?
It happens though.
That marriage go last because
it happens.
You know, be your dream girl, but you find fulfillment,
in that
joy,
in that particular
because it get her own way of doing things. So
no, but you see,
she just heaven sent.
Sometimes, like what you talk now, you see sometimes it's not everything where you want. Now ain't God they give you. He know what you need. So you feel get dream. Say you want be pilots, but God no want make you be pilots. He say make you be this. Your destiny. No be so. Most times when you get say, oh man, I for like marry girl way tall, way fair. You understand? Like me. Although I should not be saying this, but I'll talk out. I love naturally they are attracted to fair girls. You understand?
You're racist now. You're racist.
Now your mama God tell me today just now. Say I be racist. No, I did, but you see, but the day when you could see me marry a dark girl, may you know say really, really, really this was destiny.
Meanwhile, in another news, no verse. You know, say, you get where your dream, get where you go reach, be say that your dream, no be dream, it can be nightmare. When you don't reach one kind of age, you still
they dream for that same
for pocket, they chop for your papa house at 30-something, and your dream still be to marry one graduate,
but dreams always come true now. Dreams always come true.
Now they say, get where you go reach, where your dream. When you never achieve them, you go turn to nightmare. For example, at 35, you never get admission to enter school.
No, but you
and
see
your dream, now see to marry a first class girl,
But you know say this dream of a thing, you know say when we they grow up, what we they always look at when we say our dream and say one marry girl way like you rightly talking before, we tall, look beautiful, I want marry girl we get master.
Let me say I want that one though.
You know, just now talk with the talk.
I just tell you my own that before you go.
No, they wrong. You say you dey attracted to
that girls.
Which one you want come? So you dey attracted to fair girls and you want marry black one.
You know, but at the end of the day,
you're a racist.
At the end of the day, you know. Now example where I been they give for here.
You don't talk and finish. You don't talk and finish. That's what you are.
That is what you are. Simple. But the thing we come there and say, you know, say they get one level where they reach. Like you talk on one certain age where they reach. Some girls who they deal with, you know, they see all those qualities for their body. But because of sentiments, some of us they look and say, okay, now our dream woman, now our dream man. Some of us see the sentiments into that thing.
No. See, that's just the truth. You cannot just come and you cannot tell your wife now that she's not your dream woman.
Yeah, so but most of them actually know, say don't be their dream woman, be that too.
Then no.
I mean, you actually know, but you can't say
it. It's because.
But let me tell you, if you open up and you tell her, do you know even she herself, you are not also her dream man. Yes, now most people actually don't be the waiting because you see, too many like girls they get too many standards. You want a man that is 5'6" something tall. He must be a basketballer.
But in another way, you know, say if you tell your wife, see, man, I've never liked a fair girl before.
Yes,
I
now.
like black girls.
But because, but you, when I saw you,
to like you, marry you, man, you too much, I bet.
Some of my girlfriends, I don't date some dark girls. They know, see, naturally, I say, I know they like dark girls, you understand?
Now,
say example now.
There's a big give.
No.
There's a big give.
They just, but they can't know, say, this must be love. You understand? You know, they were like, when they talk
this
all those...
must be love, or could this
all
be
those
love?
Movie now, maybe you see Shey and with Dominic, you go ask questions, say, so when you see, you someone like me now, can't say, okay, I marry, like, I always use like Dangote Pikin now. You people go ask that question, say, could this be love? Or they will say, this must be love. Because, no, for the first time, I agree with me. This must be love.
That's if not a film, they call it misplacement of love.
No.
You know, because the girl carry a love from where it's supposed to carry and go misplaced.
That is where the Chris Brown and Rihanna sing say, we found love in a hopeless place.
I beg, maybe
Champagne. Hopeless.
Maybe I agree. Maybe that street. Maybe that go for street. When we come back, we will still continue with the matter. This dream man or woman, if they really exist, that's the matter we talk about today. No go anywhere and say BOBO'S YARN. No move.
Dream man and dream woman.
Sure. Yes, now, sure. It's existing.
That doesn't exist anymore.
It exist, oh, my sister. It exists. May I tell you, for this life, the real woman and real man, they exist.
If you see a girl and you believe, okay, oh, this is a girl you can get married to. Do you understand? There is this feeling that will come in you, that will come to you, that you will see that, oh, no, seriously, I'm getting married to this girl.
If like you now, as you find anyhow like this now, I feel like now you might start to come feel like on jam with you. So if I can't see, I can't like you die, like you pieces, I feel like propose to you. It happen.
I no sure say that kind of thing they happen because you need to make somebody the kind of person where you want. Making the person the kind of person where you want start from you getting to understand yourself. So if not you understand yourself, that person who you understand, if you follow the same path where you follow, now that one I end they call them the dream man and dream woman.
Now when they come together, you gonna know say yes, many things they happen for this life.
Most people don't really believe in all those things now. You understand? It's only dream jobs that exist because everything now in life is all about money.
Yes, welcome back. Now, still BOBO'S YARN, and we see this side is bad. They talk the matter. And matter what they talk about today, they very, very spluffic. When they talk, say, dream man or dream woman, it they exist because we don't say when all of us they grow up, we get standards of the kind of man or the kind of woman we want to marry. Now we they call our dream man or our dream woman. And
tomorrow we'll talk the other one.
Still they inside studio here with me.
We'll
they talk the thing.
Tomorrow
I dimension studio. I think saying a good morning Nigeria.
No, tomorrow we'll talk whether if you don't marry person where you die your dream man.
Yeah, that's
or your dream woman.
If
the marriage will work.
First true. Yes.
Whether
the marriage we need
basically this topic now, waiting we not even fit talk finish.
Today,
give us 1 week.
So
we just want to use 2 days.
But you, Shakara, you believe say Shakara you now like this. Say you get a woman, will be your that your dream woman.
But really,
really dey.
Every man gets. I believe say every man gets. I believe say every man gets.
Where they talk, where did they say whether it did? Now for your mind, you not anywhere.
No, do you know that I have drawn my dream wife before on paper.
You don't meet her.
I still dey wait. But you get one time I see no me lie. You get one time. No, I always get that picture. I'll just see. Most time they call that nostalgia. I feel they like that because they say this thing I don't see him before or this moment. I don't see my future wife before I drown.
Okay, good.
But the problem is say when I can't see, I don't see for a dream, sha. But I can't see him for real life one day. But by that time, person don't marry him.
Well, that means you are wifeless now in this world.
No.
Just go back to seminary.
Now why I tell you, say there's no one man or one woman for person. As you do like this now.
Who tell you there's no one man?
Then it cannot be. You get like 2 or 3.
More than that side. Why you go
talk? You want to see? Okay, you. What do you believe? Is there only one woman for you in this life?
It's one man.
It's one man, one woman.
wife.
So as
But-
God creates you, the only one waits now.
Yes,
Now only
now
one
man,
woman.
woman.
Only one man, one woman. But
Now
in
one man,
Africa,
one woman.
So
in
maybe about Africa.
Our culture permits us.
So I want to ask you a
to-
simple question now.
To marry like.
No, not
four.
simple question because you know
But
this
you
this
see-
is a wait now. No call time now. If you marry woman now, will be your dream woman, and that woman die, and you marry another one again. The second one is what? He simply tells that there's no one man or one man for somebody.
I tell you, say there's no dream woman anyway. Dream woman now for your mind, now day. You understand? When you say, okay, this number, dream woman, that is what you want, the kind of thing you want.
And
understand?
are you allowed to get what you want? See.
So
Of
once you
course,
don't
why
marry
not?
that, once you don't-
So he did. So he did then.
Yes,
So once
fine.
you don't
But the
marry
thing
that
I
type
say,
of
He say he no
woman,
did.
once you don't marry
One
that type
thing-
of woman where you want, even then anything happen, she die. You still feel marry another of that type where
where
you
they
want.
close to them.
But they are not the same thing
But
now.
listen, but one thing I need you to understand, I say,
Yeah.
you know, say when they talk about say your dream, dreams now what you they aspire to, now what you want, now it be your dream.
Like I dey
Yes.
dream to marry
Now,
Dangote pikin.
Pikin. Agreed, you dey
He
dream
go-
to marry.
if
you
he
dey dream
work,
to marry.
if he
now,
no work.
this na the thing. You dey dream to marry Dangote
no,
pikin.
no, why
But you
not?
know wetin most of us know they understand about this dream thing.
Yeah.
If you dey aspire, say okay, see who you want marry. There's one law wey me I know. Whatever you are is what you will attract.
That
Shey you
law dey,
understand?
but
Now,
I can
if
also
you can't
prove
say,
to
if
you,
you can't
I
say
can
you
prove
want,
you wrong too.
if
No,
you wait, if
I
you
can
can't
prove
wait,
you wrong now.
If you can't say you want
My
marry,
brother, wait, you drop 1 point
the
now.
level where you want
You know-
marry,
you know,
ma finish
to
now.
break this
If you
thing
say
down, where they tell
the
you
level,
na big word o.
the
How?
level where you want
He
marry.
tell you say what you are
Is what you
is-
attract.
is what you
Where
attract.
you walk carry am go?
Wetin
Oh
your
yeah.
papa dey do? What does your father do? I wan know your dream woman.
Excuse
now.
me. I want to counter that
What
is
does
law.
your father
And where do you
do?
get that law from?
But it's the truth.
The law of physics.
It's just like, for instance,
in
now.
physics, my brother, let me tell you what I know what I'm saying. In physics,
I
they
hear you.
say opposite poles attract. The like attract with what? The opposites. That's
It's
why.
like,
Not with his like.
you say opposite of like is dislike now.
Yes, yeah. not in that way. That's why a magnet, the North Pole will attract with the South Pole. So if you think my father is not as wealthy as Dangote, there is a connection that an unlike pole will attract with
But see,
that pole. Do you agree?
Okay, what
with
have
this
you
law?
waiting you don't do to make sure say that your dream man or dream woman go come to pass?
My brother, wait,
so you
what
don't
I am-
put in place.
Okay, sure.
There are so many things wey you go put in place.
Let's go back to dream and live
Na the
nightmare.
truth.
This is not nightmare.
Let's
Na the
This
truth.
is reality.
Na the truth,
Oh,
because
hold on.
if you
Let's
come
live like
wait,
nice
if you
men.
come
Let's
now
go
say
back to dream.
you wan marry, you get so many people there. I know say so many people they no be graduates, they marry graduates. But let's face the fact, some that marriage dey work, some e no dey work.
So if I marry
You know
Dangote
why?
pikin, e
wait,
no go work?
now that kind of marriage, some inferiority complex dey dey in between.
God forbid.
Sometimes I
Do
dey
I
tell
look
you
like,
because
hey,
I get
Sakara,
person wey be
hold
say
me.
calm down. I
Then
get
you
person
look
wey be say
loud.
he no be graduate, but him wife get PhD. That inferiority complex dey once in a while.
dey, we know.
You dey feel me? So now I dey
My
talk.
brother.
If you dey claim now say
If you marry
you wan
like
marry
Dangote
Dangote
pikin,
pikin,
you no even
what
feel-
have
you-
you done
you
to
no- you
establish
no even
yourself
tell her
as a
to
young
bring
man
water
to
for you
put
to
yourself
drink.
Why?
close to that dream?
Where go dey fear?
Do you know? See, let me tell you, if she was framed and fashioned for me,
Forget all those home video you dey watch o. Say one rich man pikin dey drive for road.
that is why. That's why I am a very
Forget
different.
it.
That's why I'm a very
Fairy
different.
tales.
I'm a very different being. If I shock you now, say, and we said this some days ago on radio. You see, the only way Nigeria fit go forward now if the rich fit marry the poor marry the rich. If not the rich, they marry the rich. They will keep getting richer, and the gap of poverty go plenty. That's why you see for Nigeria, the poor is very
See,
far.
make I tell you why some of these rich children wey be say no go even work. You get one guy, in the newspaper stand, he just hold paper because he wan get drive pass, clean car, go front. So he come wave the girl. And so the girl stop. He come go because say hello. Actually, excuse me. He hold newspaper for her. Now he say, you know, I like you. Now the girl say, oh, I thought you were a vendor. we come sell paper. Now make her stop. You understand? If not, you never get time to stop
no.
for that.
I beg we sharply go meet our assistant them for street.
people don't believe
Make
me.
me hear wetin they gas talk. We dey come back. That's it, BOBO'S YARN. Don't go anywhere.
For some people, they exist.
You know they exist.
No.
You ever seen the dream man, like for real? You work it out. There's no perfect man.
There's no perfect man. You can't like have 10 qualities in a man and you see that 10 qualities in a man. It's not possible.
For me, I don't say they exist. Let's say 40 or 50% actually.
You can't have it all in one. The thing where they find for A, you might not find for B. The thing where they find for B, you may not find for A. So now you go just wing them like that.
If you have like 3, if you see like 3 or 4, you build him to the remaining qualities you wish you have.
When you say about dream man, to me, I never see my way be my own dream man, sha. So that is it.
I don't believe because sometimes you see your dream man not being you they marry. If you just get and say you get dream man, but I beg my sister, nothing like dream man. Anyone where God give you, go take on like that.
I like to see that baby.
No, that girl, you give us Baba.
That girl say, no, is that a good prayer? That's not a good prayer. Anything.
But why she go talk say anything where God give you, may you take? That means she's settling for anything. Say she wants
but that's not what it means.
No.
You know why I say so?
For me,
you know why I say so?
Then now still this same thing talk say God go give you what you want.
Girl we believe in God. But the girl not say anything will come my way. She said anything with God give her. So she trusts in God. Because at the parallel with all these girls, they go say God we want a hard-working man. God will come bring truck pusher. They go say no. Which guy will work hard past that one? So, you know, it's very funny. I like that girl. She's being very truthful. Anything that God give, you take. She don't believe, say, it exists, say, dream man or dream woman.
But we even check social media, say, we know what people they been talk for social media because I know say some people who don't talk some things on top social media.
Joy and Maddie say, yes, it does. Agbaje Caroline M. Yes, it exists. Is God-given talent written in the Bible? It is God-given talent written. I don't know what this one means. Brian Spencer. Yes, it does exist. For me, I'm a spiritual person. I believe in vision. You see? Like me. I ask God for a specific kind of woman who possesses a beautiful voice that will be used to glorify his name. To be sincere, I have found her. Wait, Shaka, this is a testimony. You have to be saying hallelujah as I'm reading it. One more time. From Brent Spencer. No. He said, yes, it does exist. For me, I'm a spiritual person and I believe in vision. I ask God for a specific kind of woman who possesses a beautiful voice that will be used to glorify his name. To be sincere, I have found her. There is nothing like perfectionist. You can't have all you want, but you can get almost all. Aliyu Idris, yes, they exist. I am Fizz Fatty Zara. You say, yes, it does exist. The last one, this lady here is so beautiful. I love Jesus. Obes Kelf. You see the girl hips. He said,
now get hip, you go to look now.
Now hip, you look.
You know if you read.
You know go read what you go. Now you get picture, you go to look.
Collect that this thing for me, I beg.
If I did,
no. Now you get picture, you
don't be picture. The whole message is very, very different. When did she talk? Okay, wait,
no, if you different, not read that.
Too long, man. No,
they say sweetest sugar mummies and daddies. You know something where they very often.
I beg. Now all these people.
She wants a message to her boyfriend. Come send and come here. I
beg me do what those boys. Sharply. When we come back, we'll still talk the matter. We maybe go. BOBO'S YARN, not go anywhere. We'll come back.
You have to read this.
I beg. Now our word does we don't carry give una so. We know say some years back we no get telecommunication for this country. Agreed. When it come, I know how much I buy my first SIM and phone. No. But now they don't come plenty. But at still the same time we can't see plenty. Then they chop our money like foul.
We don't.
It gets some.
It gets some way say you go even when you buy airtime, say if you know that time finish, they go first chop like 1.5 from your airtime. You can't call their customer service.
They'll come they give you story. Now we and I won't use take the pay on our worker salary.
The one where they use
the worst one now
no call them before you vex.
Data bundle. Now that one ain't worse. That one
I want to talk about now.
You go pay 4,000. 4,000 no go carry you reach 2 weeks.
1 month. The one way me
and 4,000 in 2 weeks. So they say which 1 month.
I don't
2 weeks. 4,000 no they reach.
I know they put past.
What am I browsing?
Sakara, I know they put past 1,200 naira before to last me for like a month. But now, this last one where I just do some days back, I get like over 3K credit for my phone. The same code where they always send. Where if I get 1-2, they'll carry the 1-2, give me my 1 gig. Don't be waiting I want. I send the same code, then carry everything.
I make one area boy for Surulere. He go load the phone, now they come out the money. And so the boy break bottle go their office. He say make the as they close come outside. Nobody come outside though. Now from window now they throw money for us. Say bag, take.
Like what is over? Very good, Jerry.
Give me your answer on top this matter. You feel say dream man, dream woman they exist for real?
To me, like I talk, it no be say they exist, but now what do you think? Now your dream man or dream woman they inside you.
Shakara, you don't see any of your dream man or woman. I mean, sorry, dream woman.
Tire.
You don't see them plenty.
Looks, you know.
Even for where would they work?
Looks, as in I don't see tire, as in the way I want my dream woman to look, I don't see how well.
So why you no settle down with that one?
So man, give me your own last take on top of the
matter. You talk?
You feel say they exist.
Now my last take
be this. Them a lot.
I say why you no settle down with that? You say how many of them you want settle down with?
Because what thing I talk, we say the dream what they talk. No be I talk of physique.
I beg go. Shakara don't carry on go another level.
I beg. Tomorrow I just want to tell you that say, any dream where you feel say you get, you self work towards them. If you dream say you want marry PhD holder, you self get masters. If you feel say you want marry person where say get money, you self do something to improve your life and improve yourself. I beg from all of us for inside this place today, we say, good night till tomorrow. Shayo wello.
We go make you manya manya. Ines is in manya manya. This is for people with chalacha. People with kalaka. Nandi walanya. Nandi kalanya. It go make you feel better. This can take away palaba. This can take away wahala. It go make you feel Niger.